Let me show you a solution to lesson 10, functions in Minecraft. Let's get started with the puzzle number 2, it's skill building lesson. We can select our character. By simply moving forward, we can solve the very first puzzle. And now we can use arrows on our keyboard to move the character himself. So that's the thing, we got this agent that we program with code, and then we can still move the character with arrows. The second one, the same solution, just put the agent on the button and move the Steve with arrows. Our goal is to get the compass. Let's move this agent 4 times forward using the repeat block. The gate is open. Now we need a bucket. Luckily, the agent can move across the water. Again, I use the repeat block to make the program shorter. And we are in step number 7. Now we need to collect an axe. We need to move forward twice, turn right, and then move forward twice. Now the doors open and we can go out. Alright, it's time to use a place block to rebuild the bridge. This way we can cross the water. We need to repeat this several times. So we want to move forward, place the block, move forward, place the block, move forward, place the block. So that's 3 times. Alright, let's test it out. And this way we can rebuild the bridge to across the river and get the shovel. We are done with puzzle number 8. Let's move to the next one. This one will be very similar. As you can see, we got 2 missing blocks for this bridge, so let's change repeat 3 to 5. And it's done. We are in the level 11. Now we got a function, this thing in the green brackets here. We can call the function by its name. So when I call this name here, everything that is inside will happen. So let's try it out. Alright, seems like we need to call it again because there's another river here. So let's try it again with 2 functions. As you can see, I don't need to repeat all of the steps that inside the function. I just call it name twice and we are done. Now we can go across. So if you got some kind of code that you want to reuse multiple times, you can put that code inside the function, inside this green thing. Now we need to clear the path. If I just run the program, nothing happens. I need to put the function name first. Alright, so that's 1 time. Then we need to move forward twice and call the function again. And then I will move forward 1 time and call the function again. And next one is done. We're almost there. Alright, now we got two different functions. One is to clear the long path and one is for the short one. So first, let's just turn left. We need to move forward twice to reach the stone. Then we can use the short path first to destroy it. And we will be here. Let's run it halfway through. The program is not ready, but we can test it out. Alright, perfect. Now we need to turn right. Move forward twice again. Let's use the long path clean function. That should do the trick. You can follow Y is in construction. Don't need to wait to the end. Alright, and we are here. Now we need to go across the lava. Let's start by building the short bridge. Seems like there's a block on the way, so let's destroy the block after that. We need to move forward. Let's try to build a short bridge again after that. But I think there's one block missing here. So maybe we need to move forward and build one more extra piece of bridge ourselves. Alright, without the function. Let's get started. And here's our bridge. Alright, we almost there. Just one left. And you know what? The last one is just a free play. So you can play with this one as you want. We can set up two functions. We can give them names. Then we can try to play them. So we can make a function move forward and place rails. And then we can repeat that function several times. Repeat function 1 5 times. Let's play that. Let's test it out. So as you can see, the map is large here. So if you really like Minecraft, you can play with it, coding different objects around the map. But if you are happy with the result, you can just click finish. And you are done with lesson 10. You can move to the next one, or you can share a link to your free play project that we just finished at the end of this class. Thank you for today. Let's watch the next coding tutorial.